Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Dr. Nishant Gupta practicing in Raipur and Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. So I am here before you to present what is homeopathic approach in erectile dysfunction. So erectile dysfunction you might have all known, that is when our penis doesn't get that much firm during the sexual intercourse. That is what we call as the erectile dysfunction. So those who know me personally, I used to show so many cases of ED. I used to deal in cases like skin disorder, hair fall disorder and sexual disorder. So that's what it is. So we'll learn about it. So what is this erectile dysfunction? It used to appear a man at least once in his lifetime. It affects as many as 30 million men. That's a huge number. ED is, we all know, that is when our penis doesn't get that much firm during the sex, and thought it's not a rare for a man to have some problems with erection for a time to time. ED that is progressive or happens routine with sex is not normal and it should be treated. So it is completely treated through homeopathy and some other system of medicines as well. So what ED can happen? How this ED can happen? When our blood flow in the penis is limited or nerves are harmed. So these are two things which we have to keep in mind when our blood circulation is limited, blood flow is limited, or when our nerves is harmed with stress and emotional reasons. So with lots of stress and lots of emotional reason, ED used to happen. Atherosclerosis, high blood pressure or high sugar in diabetes, these all cases in which ED can happen. So that we all know and that we all should have keep in mind before treating these cases. So how this erection used to work, how the penis get erected. So whole physiology and anatomy I used to explain. So during the sexual arousal, what happened actually, the nerve releases chemical that increases the blood flow in the penis. So nerve used to release a chemical which used to enhance the blood flow in the penis. And you know, this whole structure of penis is made from a spongy muscle tissue we call as the corpus cavernosum. So the penis is made from a spongy muscle tissue which is known as the corpus cavernosum, and this corpus cavernosum during the erection they used to trap some blood and our penis get filled. So during the erection, the corpus cavernosum muscle, this spongy muscle, used to trap the blood and our penis get erected. And during the relaxation of penis, the corpus cavernosum used to release the blood and our penis get relaxed. So this is all the physiology, how our penis get erected or how our penis get relaxed. So it can also be happen because of warmth, cold or worry. Lots of warmth, lots of cold or worry, this can also affect the circulation in the blood, and this can also affect whether this spongy muscle traps the blood or releases the blood. Whenever it will trap the blood, our penis get erected. Whenever it will release the blood, our penis get relaxed. So some of the symptoms of ED is low self-esteem, depression, distress from man and his partner. ED can affect the well-being or his relationship. It should be treated. Treatment aims to fix or enhance erectile function, help circulatory health and help quality of man's life. Some of the causes being over 50 years of age, having high blood sugar, having high blood pressure, having cardiovascular diseases, having high cholesterol, smoking, using drug or drinking too much alcohol, being obese or lack of exercise. So these are some causes of erectile dysfunction. So some of the physical causes are also there. There is not enough blood flow into the penis, and because of that penis such as hardened arteries, heart diseases, high blood pressure or high blood sugar or smoking. Penis does not trap blood during the erection, so this can also be the issue. Nerve signal from brain or spinal cord do not reach the penis. Certain diseases, injury, surgery in the pelvic region can also harm nerves to the penis. Diabetes, cancer treatment, certain cancer treatment can also be highly adaptive to erectile dysfunction. Drug used to treat health problem can negative impact on erection. patient should talk about the drug side effect with their primary care doctor. So doctors, those who are giving all these high doses of allopathic drugs, they should also be well aware patient that this can also cause the side effect in their sexual life. Emotional causes include depression, anxiety, relationship conflict, stress at home or work, stress from social, cultural and religious conflicts, worry about sex performance. So these are certain cases and causes which I have shown. Now I will show you a case, very small case, and I will show you a case in very brief. A case of a 55-year-old man suffering from erectile dysfunction from 5 years. There is no history of alcoholism, cigarette smoking or no addiction, vegetarian and diet. So this was the case. Actually what happened, 5 years before he gets separated from his wife and he doesn't get any sex in this 5 years, and 5 years back when he got a girlfriend, you know, he couldn't able to perform. So that's what the situation is really is. So in this particular cases, my experience is that in physical aspect, try to focus on peculiar, cure, uncommon symptoms. Try to focus on that. I will show you how I repertorize this case. So I have taken a rubric: erection, wanting, impotency, coition during. So the fact is that he has erections. He has erection, but during the coition, the firmness of the penis get released. So this is the rubric. Erection continue, priapism at night. So actually what is one more uncommon thing is that the long lasting uncommon erection, we call this situation a priapism. The term we used to know, priapism, at night, the whole night up to hours his penis get erected. So I took this rubric as well. This is certain uncommon rubric as well. Only 20 remedies are there. Anxiety, health about sexual, this I used to take. Adulterous, lots of adulterers. He used to have lots of girlfriend. He used to watch lots of porn movies. Celibacy ailment form, he doesn't get sex for 5 years. That's from there on he developed the erectile dysfunction. And remorse, repentance, masturbation form. So whenever he don't get sex, he used to masturbate. So that is something we have to keep in mind. Try to focus on uncommon common symptom, especially in the physical, and try to decode the mind as much as you can. So in this totality, Staphylococcus aureus is the remedy which comes up. So we give Staphylococcus aureus 1 day single dose and repeated after 15 days, and so the case goes on and this person get completely treated. So that's what how about it. So I have also written the books, therapeutic book of unsung remedies and acute and emergency management through homeopathic therapy. These are 2 books I have written. You can contact me at nishan25smilebox@gmail.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.